hello, I am Monkey D. Luffy. No, I am Monkey D. Luffy. Well, if you are Luffy, then who the hell am I? Well, perhaps you are Zoro the Pirate Hunter. Well, if I was Zoro the Pirate Hunter, I would have green hair and 3 swords. Perhaps you are not who you say you are. That is just crazy talk, man. Look at me, I am a pirate, so I must be Luffy. Well, perhaps you are Sanji. If I was Sanji, I would have long legs and have a cigarette in my mouth. Does it look like I have long legs and smoking a cigarette to you? Well, then maybe you're Chopper. Do I look like a reindeer to you? Do you see freaking antlers coming out of my head?